Now, sorry, now, you know, in order for them to cover their shame, I see the NDC people on social media, and now this government, they're because they are now on Crawford. And that is what is happening. And I can tell you in authority, me say me catch NDC members, they say, "Omon kope BP drobi no."
Don't want. Are you okay?
Now say ora na omo kano yes that definition na okujo to black Samuel etro Twitter dey no omo dey.
Why wa no fia obo fia say Koko cap abet na ho. Won tia say herenim as Koko cap. All these things. Share the eba no. And we go who video bi yes say Miracle Aboagye the ode basic na koto dan no. Ono so hia say bi ono so ka.
I don't know why, but I get a sense say I say NDC former cast spell be go on my so. When I don't expect anger, I expect sadness. I expect I don't know. I don't know. Obi.
Miracle Aboagye. We about me campaigns get na koto dan. O see on tiasie. Adentina Ghana for bumfu ye. Eye tokonu asem na aba no. Adana kejetia for mba na some strong go kumase. Kone ko kejetia for mba say omwuro ombo mu ejide adeje. Ana eye MPP loyal ladies no omo ye den. Akosha meru na hwene se bini. Onko gada omo no ndwo omo ho e. Ye pese ye hu anufuo. Ndwan ontiasie I say NDC for ye Ghana for edro. The AC, the eto tokonu no. Na Charlotte say no ekube. Meboa. Why wonim fia say Koko cap? Charlotte say time ana mo trust our fake petition na mudi yi no. We nya even the petition to read no. Charlotte say there na oyekube otare dan ho. Why wonim fia say Koko cap? Abegina say onti ase. O say Ghana for bufu. CJ tokonu de nufu ya 9, de tu ya num, and CJ de ni ya nwotwe. Into onti ase ana Ghana for bufu ye. MPP loyal ladies wo ana omni ho monko fo mo e mo fo mungu ba asim ko gira cycle na mo ka so mo woro mo ho ye bese ye hwe bibi omunyi 32 d ni free ho sa entoma na mabbo ahye mo nufu ase no omunyi no mo ndwa mo ho ne ehu se mo ni abre uji se Ghana fo agimi me se ade amode ye Ghana fo no mo ji se Ghana fo no mo te Ghana ne yegimi ye refi bibiansi yo when there's no problem you don't have to call Jesus. What is happening now? People are now seeing the difference between aban papa and kwasiafo aban. Obetina radio so when to man can chire obi say President Ebu Mraso. When to man pointed to one emra process where the check Chief Justice said no song and I say no song no. When to me I'm mentioning emra ba ko obi ebusu Ghana. What do we need to say Koko cap abetina say on tiasie. I say NDC for ye Ghana for edro. Ye nya Ghana for edro. Ghana for nyansa omo wuso ye nwan MPP loyal ladies enyo modwuma na say yako campaign na ene o mada say mmoa wo emredu monko gada omo say nkokɔ na monka nche loyal ladies ni say omo nyina mra omo medwa omo ho omo beyi omo nufu ntoso so omo do Chief Justice tokonu a because Charlotte say no onyo ba na meboa enti say mo MPP for no say mo problem with the wo ho na mesrɛ mo mama mo loyal ladies omo bobo ntoma hye omo nufu ase. Almost sorry, no, de oba tanku afọ monufu ho. Sa loyal ladies na boko campaign na mo de oma to say amane na mo nyo mo da say moa no. Mo nka nche mo so omo ndwa omo ho. Omo megina circle na omo wuro omo ho. Na omo nye de ye kire kese e support Chief Justice na NPP ne manim. Ana say mu hu hawa kumsin say oyekube. Ana sa emana omo TV so ekasa ma mo no. Mu hu omo so omo ye shovel. Ana sa ma na omukasama MPP no omo ye banchi so omo so ye nipa mundi omo nyina akina mo be demonstration inwan ye ka kire mo say amamuo ye mfa dada atro ahantan mo disrespect Ghana for mo de Ghana for fa oyaw mu bo nipa tuo wo Miracle Aboagye wano hu win say Egypt for aponche kokɔ wa betena ho say onti ase ai say Ghana for MPDC ayo moduro mutena kroma bo nipa nwotweto te nyame na mpɛ bɔ na nka so bi kan mutena kroma bo nipa tuo etena TV so ni radio so e defend ye why wa no fia wabodwe fia say Koko cap abetena ho onti ase hwenenim as a Koko cap.
I don't know why, but I get a sense say as a NDC former cast spell be go on my so because you see Me who didn't hear. I say Chief Justice, I say we. And I mean, my friend say a serious matter because
before now, so who a man for him.
Yes, as I said, when I don't expect anger, I expect sadness. I expect. But me who are real who be. But me who say. I don't know. Obi. I don't know.
Until here or expect you real. Problem no day. Why we forgot Jesus or expect to be being see a real mra. Now, just say you create problem from where there's no problem. Oh, the mindset of the NPP. Until here, adentina Ghana for hunyansa dodo. Adentina Santifo dodo mu di NPP chi ehunyansa dodo. Adentina jandamo na enko. Yati kroma na nsen Santifo ma sebio omodi mokwedi nchene. Sebio yentumi mbu omo so me kwasea biom. Santifo ma sebio mrebi mutwa omo atro edada omo esi central ebekache omo so mewie central market eja to ho mubedi omo agro bedi omo atam ekotena nkran enne Santifo ma na mubu omo so mogimi no. Ya ma menom gu asantime mu a no munya obi ma ne nka no kora nkyere omo a until say ye ba ye bebie nyoma so kyere omo no. Ya ma me no omo ne abie omo nya nkwasiafo bi mu ende omo nyina omo bioma no omo kasa mo MPP fo nkwasiafo ene asantefo ma menom omo tidwa omo didwa omo koba omo hu aban difference between NDC and MPP ende omo kasa
Ampare de wura bedu waba osumi numuni nyame ya adom ye wura besesa no ma ye hwe sika ye dollars ya sɛdeɛ mitie ya wosi ama na ba fam a ye kwasɛm nie ye fa akonya so de papa ya se ye da na se papa wa na de mpa na sɛ ye sɛ ye se sai ba fam a ebebo ayen ɛna nso na ye ho kyere ye saa ye wura wada ro ma nyame hia bebre wo mitie wa de mpa wanya sɛ de mini anaka ya se da kɛseɛ ɛne ye de ma ye wura ya de nyina ya papa o ma pani Excellency John Mama no kwasa madwadifo nyina ka ye ho bomu eye se ye de wura ne besa ba power biem no wa beboa yen ye nyina ye di tumu na ye wura nso ne ka se o di tumu se ye de ne ba obeba nyina gina oba pa oba uti dom eye wa wura wo ye wa de nyina ye ma no Londina ye sa da ya sibio efi se wa de mpa wo de ma wura ene ma ni hu o man ye hawo ne amane a wodi aboa ya wa masika no aba fama mayen yesra ma yenuanom afitafo yenuanom magazine fo emra no ma aba fam yi mo so motete no ma no so mane moa yen na o my Ghana nso nya na so mdue yesra dia akonya nso biem enso eseye papa sana dia nyina na dawroma emra de na bayi se do adwadifo ho wa boa yen wa tie ye ne wa beji adwuma so obeya amayen esesa ya wa sha ase no Oma dollars ni samra fem bebre na yesiris no empeja ma o my Ghana nso mfa ne ntuma pemfra asantoma mfa ntuma pemfra na no ma no nso na dawroma sanya petrol wa me na ba fam on sama ne bra fam na driver for yesra mo emra petrol ba fam no magazine fo nso ma no ma mra fam ka ho no ma nyina mra fam eno ma yeyiye no beauty adaso no ye wa do ma woni nko ho ma no ma nyina mra fam se do ma dollars aba fam no duty free ya parisa the duty ni free mayen na no ma nyina mra fam ma sasante maye hu sa ba ya toma wo no ye nu ye ho da bialada ye ya do mama nyame hia bebre o kwaso na nim die ni nyansa wo mo no mpani fo nyina na de mpa manya mo my Ghana no ye timi akoso o mpani fo wi ye bre we nyina ye tetere mfamem se ye si bi no mo keka sa ye se ye mpe wo mo boa ye je na tum management ye je na tum kemi ya boss ya je na tum region ni sa je na tum asante ma ma nye de mfo manya ye bo mo tidom ye nu o nyina adu o man no esi asante man ama asante man ya te ma ye wura nso ani die awia ne paye o ma ame nso ani die awia ne paye ye kan ya kan sai face 2 adawroma face 2 ama na mbesi ye sa be face 2 ye nwie ye ja ho ye de twa wo na abetimi ya beto aso ma ye be de fo ma ye ni abedi a sa be ye fa akonya so da wasie edwadie eya de ma hu hia ye yie ebe de de hwie fie ye de hwie wuranom ye de hwie ma ye de hwie busua face 2 adawroma da be wie ma ye wi asa to aso face 3 eni krofrem sa be abaye ma ye krofrem abaye bi ba so wo ye aba kwa bo bi amua wa ne de da wo na abetimi aye wadan ewura de o ma me tuani be pro from dwa be dwa no nso nya dwa de enua na gu ka kwa ho aka efifi yeso obi enya dwa wura mu a sa de we nyina be firi ho ama asantema fa no tuma pa fira be fa akwanya nso eda empanifo nyina
Ubebu sound say Mami penyini sei Sebio nko beka se bibia memfie dui ene mami fo muti ne chi ye asanteme mu ne wo yesum sikedwa ye asantefo mo na moye mo politics ye de fa ye ho ben ba se wo se mpenifo sei eti asanteme mu metuma ka kire obi anya de hye nchen no but de o ye nyina nde no enye onu ntira eye bia ne babi ne nana bi onim se aban bia ntumi mba Ghana obeye bibia manesi pepepe but eye aban no ene nipa no mudi eye de sa aban nim no eye opepa omowo ene adwene po a sebio oma kire se anytime be mo akonye bia no omo de nipa bi enwo adwene pa eto omo tirim ebo omo nti tie maame we ni maame fo no mti ne kina sebio omo ya santefo mapa omo bu otumfo omo som sikedwa nanso omo hu ni se impuntuo ehia aban ba na se etua ye to a o se aban no twa nani ebehweye na sebio mo aban de beboa ne nde no na ono so e de ahwe ne nkirimba ne nana ana ne baba bi enti de oye no enye because of say odo politics ama enye se bia ohu politician da ana se ohu NDC aban da ana ohu MPP aban da de oye no opese Ghana for te ase se wasuansua soansa omo nyankwara omo ya santifo mapa and omo santisem eye omo fe omo ntontwene nanso eba impuntua eba eto a yetua ma aban indi sa aban betena oman so a e se aban no egege eto no e se de nipa no so pe no de omo timan ni mu pe no e se aban no so etumi ye. So these people are not doing politics. They are basically saying say they have been disappointed and misled by the NPP for years. And that's why omo de to MPP mu omo de ma MPP omo de ko to abama MPP for 8 years. Omo krampa from the stronghold. MPP anchiro mu ebuo impuntudwuma ba kokrampo no went ma fa ba asante no eno na ama omo agina so hu se John Mahama ne NDC for aban we omo ni munyansa chen MPP aban enye se omo tan MPP omo kire se omo ye nipa ye ka se obi ye rational ye ka se obi ye rational opepa ne to a onhua opepa ne to a onfa nhye nenum okogya ne nan na opepa ne to a ototwene we mo ye rational human being omadwene wo fie we nkire se omo nya asantefo we nkire se omo mbuotumfo we nkire se omo mamre no obi beje firom nsem we nkire se ebema otumfo ahine na odina abafom we nkire se ebema asanteman aye kurubone we nkire se omo ye nipa omadwene ko fie. And that is what we have been talking about every day. So we are Konia, so we are Fantinia, so we are Uneni, now we are NDC, now we are MPP. And yes, sir, we are Uneni, Sebio NDC, the Enyanisa Oka. No, and they are showing it. And these are women. Omo abain upon abain. Make a crampono. Ebimu no more, omo tama, ye kunu no more the 70s and 60s. Omo fani namu. Interdena memo masorende. Abeka se, we dear. Ya swansa ya osi ehu se ye kasem na mpunti obafie efri se nipa dwene MPP for so mu eye enyansafo sei a omu di bibia to nchen e primpunti a omu hu so mu ye enemies and they obehu no maka nsama from amifo we hu omakoji sika omakoye say because ye ne asantifo ni bi ne mpempunti ompe no kore asanteman kura yatim eye Ashanti region ultimi Russian region entumi fa bibi enfa onsanti bibi so nka say we ye MPP ne ye ma asanteman a ye nya ho faso economically, socially and politically ultimi fa onsansi ade ba akoso ede ade bibi eni ho enti so wo ma mefo say nanda omatwe my camera si omanim na omo kasa omo kire aban aba say sebio bibi nti na me toma wo wa ye bi da ye hu opepa Inkofo ye ne ankase party kra ne omote no omanfa bu amaye nti ye serew opepa na ye wo ma wo na waba no to aso what start ni ye ye pese emu bia na ye pa ye nsankan no Central Market Phase 2 eye ofori krom omo kire de omo pa aban ne nsan to aso we na ye nyansani ba we na ye openyina otifia oboa amaya kikire fie because amamifo we tina Ghana etena santimemu na omo ankasem omo anka no kore omo amagana fo ehu de wo se aban ye ma omo na se ye asantesem ye otumfo de hye ye de esomo sikedwa na omo tena wo sa na sebio se baafo wuo ba na omo wu a omo nananom na bebre enti we mu no they are being proactive speaks that for proactive eso a big word omo dwin ko kan omo dwin ko enim omo din kan afọ omo ho adwene ene adwene kese omo ko omo nim adwene pa ansana debio asemi ato omo nananom daache enti do not hate them, do not see them so omo tan asante, do not see them say omo tan nipa bi omo tan sikedwa omo kire say ye pese ye boss asante ho ban e ye mpuntu de betu na kire asante ebia ne say ohini bi efri ni kroma ba wo be park plane won kran wentima fa plane na makuma ase e ye nimguase ama ye nyina obi tuma tena nkran na ofre ya maame no mu asantemem so mo ye nkurasefo adentra de ohunu on kran na ebi ni kumase na se de won kran ebi okumase a obi betuma tena nkran aka kire maame no mu so mo ye nkurasefo. No, it is because politics na ama nipa bi tumi ka kire nipa bi so mo ye nkurasefo ni nyina ne se impuntu a emba baby e chen baby impuntu a wo baby chen baby na ma nipa bi tu se obi so obi ye kuraseni because obi tuma tena radio so ka kire asanteman say yes sky train
ho no mako isi amno kasei Uni msana na dakwa kufada adaroma. Ye build train et na fensu so. Seriously. Ye build train na fensu so. Tie be fensu so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade omunim. Tie fensu ni ade enche kra. Msana na do de fensu so no. But mi aso de ba fensu na se. Di e kwa no.
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no kase si ya no. Aka no mo wie. Yes, a company so yes, plane, I train no. A bit of South Africa, and check the Babu. From Kumasi to Accra, you use 1 hour 30 minutes. If I put my trip Kumasi, I have Juma Accra. That is the plan. I have a contract, Masha say manufacture trains near the Babu Sono. Next year, Kumasi the only flat carbon, a shoba. These are things I because
I then a Santinia Brantie. Ebetena radio so asantemem no otwa santemai tro busa ho sa dentra how why is that possible ehe den asanteni tumi bie radio na ode asanteni abetena so say twa santemai tro say train bi na munsuo so ba intimunda so ntoma MPP na ye maame no ma omode akoma pa ede MPP echi no motumi de no motena asantemem na madada omo. This is where my problem is, and that is what some of the guys on the MPP, you know, Montiasie. Inti abrantie we abetena radio so. Ne maame nom ne sewa monom say wako school. We do wako suade. We do opeye yie, opempuntu abrefie. We do okasa amampuntu abefie. Na abrantie ne tena radio so tena wuntumi radio so e wa santimemu. Na one chema wuntumi tena radio so e di atro. Ya maame no mani abre, omo ye adwuma. Omo tete omo mawrem na omo tie radio na impuntu na wo se ka no kreche se aban ne mfamba no na ye te asanteman radio so na we ye this yo na saa kwa we ne me wan ne pass asanteman yie wan ne pa otumfo yie na kwase bi te wo se me di otumfo atem adedira me ka cho se nkofo we enka no kre ebumfia omo mbu asanteman a wo se me di otumfo atem ujimi obodam and ojin se na wo ka me mejai. Intoka say Kevin tell you two for tema me betena ha menka santima asem menka atra MPP twa na mabedi aden a obi bekasa wabodam. Let me tell you people, mami fo e bo video yi ene se bi omam di MPP echi no ya obi bi e friend no ya friend den ya friend history and your facts. Let me tell you, history, you can manipulate history to favor you, your own narrative, but facts, you cannot manipulate facts. Sameka say, "O maami nie." You cannot change your mother, but you can change your father, because oba pe enenim edien ne ba oba na wo. Enti meka say oye dien say oba nkwa na wo. Enti say ka say o maami nie a o papa betima multiple. Enti facts are facts. Say ka say history. Mameka bi nchire mo abakwasem. You can twist narration to favor your narrative. Inti yakase history. There's nothing in history will be to mean the end that no emani sutino. Inti say one yes smarter kwase bi the history one manipulate what to me adan dane no, what to me aden, what change na mana suit the narrative to lie to you. But what is a fact is a fact. The fact is that NPP as a political party omunsi regional hospital or Ghana is a fact. The fact is that NPP as a political party omunsi one university in Ghana, it is a fact. The fact is that NPP as a political party omunsi any efficient factory Juma in Ghana is a fact. NPP as a political party in Ghana today, I'm to be pointed to any senior high school almost see from scratch. It's a fact. But when it comes to history, I can tell you, say, as somebody is see, ewo eyadi praso, sebio ye bo asantehini tuo, sebio osetutu, nena nanamu tuo ewo praso no. There were 7 people there. A chief one can give you their narrative of the story. Asantefo betumamo omo narration of the story. People who were not even part of the war, ebiana ekwani bi etete nwuremu a ohu akono, ono so betumamo the narrative of the story. And when it comes to history, you can manipulate it any way you like to suit you. And anything I make a Ghana for say, momianhwe facts no. Ede na NDC aye, ede na MPP aye. Se ura santimemu a, oya santini na wuti radio so TV so Facebook, YouTube. Na wodo on size sinyoma eye edunum a MPP aye wa santimemu. No acham say these are facts. Me so be ura santimemu na ma che onyoma edunum eduasa. Nyoma 50 a NDC aye wa santimemu. They are facts. These things. It's been a long time I picked this book up. This book is the Green Book. So me be the Ashanti region Chirewa. There's nowhere in this book Ashanti region Project Woman anywhere. These are facts. And nobody can challenge this book because at DBA book we be a Green Book. You see a Ashanti region. It is there. These are things that are you cannot contest. But if you come and tell me your hometown story, the story in where Jimmy, you cannot think beyond that, and that makes you weak-minded. That is what we are talking about. We are not joking here. The intelligence na idea Juma weno, it will be tough for you people to understand where we are coming from. Facts.
Now, you know, in order for them to cover their shame, I see the NDC people on social media, and this government, they're oral.
Because I'm say a lot of Ghanaians had faith in oral. Now, omoba, more and but they should begin arresting and prosecuting.
They haven't they arrested and prosecuted people. Arrest and prosecute. Who arrest and prosecute? I say, jungle.
No.
Obi omeka se michiro. NDC for nanka se tia konya so war officers no. Omukra no run na achi omo first.
Appointees.
Omo wa ban mu ene no nti NDC for no pese omo tia ase de ntia ne ma to din ya. Omo ankasa appointees na ankasa kra eje dom ti no. E dom to no.
Oral ne be chi omo.
Anase achi omo da yes be chi omo ti. That is if the definition of oral no you based on the omo trogu books mu de any achi omo. Na de wa achi we den ko chi obi. Me say tie ne ye o. Because you see, we always said some of the things they were mentioned were senseless. Because they are now on Crawford and that is what is happening. And I can tell you in authority, me say me catch NDC members and say, Omon kope BP drobinom. Now say oral now omo kano yes that definition now okujo to black somewhere etro Twitter dey no monday. Because no kra che no. Opa NDC penny be our political officer ne opa omo make demonstration omo pie no make oral asem. Omo pie no make oral asem. Omo ye memma omo pie no mo beka oral asem. Because obi it is not as if say yempa accountability o. But niema no mo kai no sebe all the people sitting in the political office have realized they are senseless.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
See where we abstract the Pra River. Sometimes the Galamsey causes, the Galamsey operation causes the sand or the silt to gather at the intake that we are not able to use to extract water. Sometimes we really need to close down the plant, but we can't close it down. So we have to do whatever we can to be able to abstract the little that we can. In fact, this thing must stop. It must not continue. So in fact now we don't even, let me say we are now desperate.
My biggest problem no the problem I want to see our Ghana, the fight against Galamsey, one of the biggest problems, the media, and especially multimedia. You see this news coverage, I'm lecturing on, Joy News coverage. They have all these materials at their disposal. when the NPP, they were in power, they went to these sites. They saw what damage or the kind of damage na NPP for a year to our environment. Today, they are the ones spearheading the NPP propaganda and agenda against a government that is working for the people. That is my biggest problem. And it hurts me when I say multimedia because my own boss, Erastus Asarodonko, he's putting his life on the line to report every single thing on the ground for us to see, irrespective of the party in power. Or start reporting a Galamsey issue. Now MPP no power. He's still doing it whilst NDC is in power. But it hurts me say the media which he is part of. I'm talking about the media a company that is multimedia, specifically Joy News. No, they are making the fight against Galamsey very difficult. Because you see, Joy News, multimedia, they have an agenda. And the agenda is that we want to find a way to make this government look bad in the eyes of Ghanaians. So they are going to align themselves with the NPP to lie to us. How can you have these materials at your disposal? You have covered the news in the central region. How under the leadership of Akufo-Addo Bawumia, in what Ghana say, and I say, and so free power. How can you follow these same criminals to the same location and come back and report as if say what is happening is new and it has never happened before? Because if Joy News or multimedia is a credible platform, the first question they will be asking these people is, why do you want us to follow you to a place you have been before and we saw the damage you have done? In fact, the water body or the water we saw there had already been destroyed even before we went there with you. So why are you today making it to look like, say, what we are going to cover or we follow you there will change the narrative? It is only a media house, a Chrome 4, any fake news, a media house that is making it difficult for us to fight illegal mining in the BSA. And you see, multimedia, Joy News, they are enabling the NPP to lie to Ghanaians. And you could see the interest it is a paid job they were doing. Oh, yanko krasiwe, yanko busako krawe, yanko bebre. You see, the idea in say we want to do everything as multimedia, Joy News, to make the John Mahama administration unpopular because since they came to power, they have not paid us money. They have not called us to settle with us. They are not doing what we like. Into the fight against Galamsey, no. As much as we are blaming Ghanaians, the media, especially multimedia and Joy News, are the biggest hindrance when it comes to the fight against Galamsey. Because if I am an editor or Joy News, be a news editor, now Mabeka say we are NPP. We are going to the central region to go and do a press conference in front of the same Ghana Water Company, you call on under your leadership. Now, so that's saying I will tell my reporters not to go. No, why should my reporters go? Because under your leadership, that is when we saw the distraction. Why are you today going to stand there to tell Ghana for say, then it means you, the media house, you are enabling them to lie to the people. Whilst you have evidence whilst you have evidence to prove, say, what they started, what we are experiencing today, it was started by the NPP. So why are they not being bold to tell Ghana for say, no, we are not going to be part of this strategy of destroying a government that is willing to fight, unless the media house is ready to help the NPP to stop the fight against Galamsey, because that's what we are seeing today. That is what we are seeing. That's why I keep saying it's Joy News, a fake news. Multimedia is one of the worst media houses in Ghana. Very terrible reporters, very terrible news outlet. It is political. What they do is their whole thing it's about money. The highest bidder. If you don't give us money, we will deliberately decide to lie to the Ghanaian people. And the danger is that they are destroying Ghana. Multimedia, Joy News, almost say Ghana. Now, and the reason why I'm saying is that multimedia, Joy News, they say Ghana, video the same Miracle Aboagye, or not the same Joy News. Joy News Nombudinechi Echo Central Region. For him to go fool himself there, no, he sat in the same newsroom. This is what he said. Listen to Miracle Aboagye.
It's a small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around circle. So government should ban everybody coming to circle. That is an emotive, an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban, they are it's a small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around circle. So government should ban everybody coming to circle. That is an emotive, an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban, they are that there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around circle. So government should ban everybody coming to circle. A small-scale mining firm employing close to about 5,000 young people in the western region. You are saying that we should ban them for what wrong? What crime has he committed? Because there is armed robbery, everybody should be left at home. Everybody should be kept at home. Is that a sensible way to solve a social canker? That there is a lot of armed robbery or there's a lot of phone snatching around circle. So government should ban everybody coming to circle. That is an emotive, an emotional way of trying to solve a problem. And that is why I keep telling you that these people who come on TV and radio and talk about ban.
This is the same idiots. Kwasia Wayne and Wakujina Central Region. Otina join you catch a Ghana for say Kwa Western Region kohe. Obi ya illegal mining. Why employ 5,000 people? Adentina yentum. Adentina yenfa ban into so. That time Ghanaians were calling for a total ban because the government was doing nothing. Remember, so Ghana for that time and calling for a state of emergency. It was because the government was doing nothing. Akwa we continue the same Joy News catch Ghana for say na muma jimi ana ko Western Region ko hwe obi ya gala wafa nipa 5,000 ejuma adentina also ban Ghana gala. This is Miracle Aboagye. This is the same fool who is being enabled, and I say Joy News enabling to come fool himself on TV say or no akọ Central Region. This in Kwasiafo when I'm say the fight against Galamsey no a media house Emmanuel Dimpa a multimedia Joy News. How can somebody like this sit in your own studio and make such a statement when he was in power? And in less than 8 months, you follow the person to the same distraction that he did and say the person to tell us, say, see what has happened. What kind of stupid Machiavellian tactics is this? Mababe kunipa, mababe sensio, mababe biye forest no, mababe hunu sueni, mufri power 2 months, masababe kache say, adentina nsure ni ahono. Means that the media house and the party, they are stupid. So whoever is the editor of Joy News is very stupid. Very political, and majority of the people are multimedia. No, Joy News no more Jimmy, omo ekonaya ding because we a media house papa. You tell them say hey, our credibility is important. Time and more power. Now this is what you said in our studio here. We cannot allow this to happen. You cannot drag us to this place and tell us to say NDC are saying so no. Into NDC intin so ni. Obi onimi nyansa. Media house omo nya kromfo omo nya wifo omo credibility enye sikanti no boy anase cocaine they will tell the person we are not going to follow you because our credibility is important. Anytime Kache Ghana for say the fight against Galamsey, the media house my power Ghana a multimedia Joy News material evidence intermedia matema. And my boss Erastus Asarodonko today posted something on social media. Erastus Bibi after Miracle Aboagye Echo Central Region or say, let me officially welcome Dennis Miracle Aboagye to the Galamsey fight. Today, I watched him explain the need to fight Galamsey because babies are being born deformed. Hey. But before that, he had already posted something on Facebook about how Miracle Aboagye approached him and told him, say, Ejumana Oyeno, politics the way tree. Besides, get me that. When Erastus was working, besides, get me. The reason why Erastus actually assembly is because time and MPP what power no. Miracle Aboagye confronted Erastus catch and say, hey, what bottom. On the so bad day, Galamsey report or Ghana, Satana MPP no what power. This Miracle Aboagye guy, he insulted Erastus for bringing out the truth. And then the Erastus say, ayene wanwa. Ni wanwa, ni wejiri no. Every time no pa onidi. Say Miracle Aboagye na TV so akoye press conference say and enkwara and say tu yende nsua say o se Miracle Aboagye o se oni Erastus ni yema hye no eye ne wanwa o se he's shocked Team, get me Erastus Facebook post. Now me check Ghana for the first one. I say yes, I've seen it. Thank you very much, team. Erastus said yen. I say ohu miracle Aboagye gina TV so say ono oka galamsey say and the Ghana for pressure go NDC so na galamsey ni de omu hu bi da no. I say ni yemu hye no. Let me read before tweet be osatro concerning the same miracle Aboagye. I say today those who ignored us and tagged us doing politics with galamsey are now ambassadors doing press conference along the same rivers they watched people to pollute. Today, Miracles, who told me I was using galamsey to serve my own agenda, is now an ambassador. Ghana is a very funny country. Time and I Erastus, Juma, Eddie report in the Babontino. Miracle Aboagye catch Erastus say, or Eddie, a Juma no ya man or the politics. And the miracle at the stage, Ako Jinansu who say, oh yeah, press conference, a being see that Ghana and say, or see a yen one. So person can go street to swa. Erastus Sardonko say, Miracle Aboagye Jimmy for onim nyansa. Oya kwasiaba. Na mbra no wo tumi na oye se adwuma no. Adan na ono ka che de se adwuma no oye na oye ma no ho. Na enya Ghana na oye ma Ghana. Eye den na de ono akogina say asama to Ghana if you say insuo na say. So or can street I say no be can but he's being very diplomatic and respectful. But mimi dwuma o se Miracle ya kwasiaba onim nyansa. Oye Jimmy for sebi oye dwantwie. Oye nipa bia oye pesemi nkuminya oye obia sebio ugini dia na wankasa oye Jimmy for te seba omia every say sa nipa we ena na ye ko the illegal mining galamsey ena ohwe menim ka say na ban na wo so memfa mekwase anko ene wabesi stage wabesi platform say ontia se nipa ewu nti enya hu bibi ose ne yema hye no me ye ne street so ama no Erastus na okwa asori on na ye Christian a waka bro for night mi jijam. Now you see where the problem is. You have to be very vigilant. A media house like multimedia is dangerous to Ghana's development. I'm telling you. Hey, politicians, the multimedia that Ghana for, especially Joy News, it is fake news. Hey, what some more Joy News? Take your time and go verify from other places. A very dangerous news outlet. Ghana problem. Hey. Politicians take advantage of us for all these years. Multimedia is part. Go back and do your checks. Kukuba kumunina start here. Try your Joy News no start here. Egbert Fable mo start here. Joy News. Kojo pon kruma wo ya enne oni MPP betina so as information minister o twa troche at a point ni pe wu kojo pon kan se ni pan wu ye. Joy News adene ba ye. Esankuma. The same Esankuma we know. This criminal. This thief Esankuma. Joy News adene ba ye. There are so many of them in the system. They were cleaned up by Joy News. And you people have to be very careful. Because Joy News is fake news, a dangerous news platform. Don't underestimate the damage Joy News can do. Right now, in their newsroom, their agenda is that they want to destroy NDC. They want to destroy John Mahama's government. They are doing everything possible because Ghanaians are not listening. They are forcing Jandam in the system.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.